Hello everybody, it is Indy Meets Disney and we are once again here at the Epcot.
Yes, we are here today because if you have a little one, we want to help you be able to find some great places for them to be able to catch a nap in some cooler places. So we're going to point those out to you today.
Yeah, that's right. Let's continue around looking for those great places to nap here at Epcot.
The first stop we want to take you to give your baby a nap is the Baby Care Center at Epcot. Now this is located not too far from the Mexico Pavilion, across the water from there. And there are baby care centers located at each of the 4 parks. This is a particularly nice one, in my opinion. There are a couple of rooms there. All of them are nice and air conditioning. You can have private nursing rooms if you need that, quiet rooms to give your baby a nap, and even buy supplies if you need them. Our next stop for a good nap is the Base Aquarium. Now this is located at the end of the Finding Nemo ride, or you can go through the back entrance and be able to get there as well, where the Turtle Talk with Crush is. There are great places to be able to sit near the aquariums, nice dark rooms, air conditioning. It is a win in my book. Another stop that we're going to take you to is the International Gateway. Now you might recognize this as the back entrance to the World Showcase. It's the one that's going to take you directly either to France or to England, depending which way you go. Lots of benches, lots of places to sit in the shade. Morocco is home to another great place for your baby to take a rest. Now it does have tons of nooks and crannies and benches and shady areas for you to be able to go, but one of our favorites is this here. It's the marketplace in Morocco. It's about halfway back, and it's an open air seating area. There are fans up above to even create more of a cross breeze. Tables, chairs, good place to nap. Another great place is the American Pavilion. You'll find lots of places here to nap. One great thing to do is to go inside of the American Adventure, watch that show. It's nice and dark, nice and quiet, nice and cool. Take a nap there. We also enjoy this area outside that's covered, so it's nice and shady, lots of benches to be able to sit. It's a great quiet place for a nap as well. And our final stop will be at the China Pavilion in the World Showcase. There are quite a few places that you could go to nap here. One of the ones that we tried out is inside of the Shanghai Disney exhibit there. There are a couple places to sit inside of here, but it is air conditioning, nice and quiet. You could even sneak through to the theater area, and there's plenty more benches and places to sit there. Now, if you did try to go to the theater, it's standing room only, so that may not be ideal for a nap, though.
All right, so that's going to wrap up our video here at Epcot about finding places to nap for your little one.
Can we just say that our daughter Gemma had the best naps today in Epcot? We found some really great nap places, and we're hoping that the locations we found help you if you're trying to find a place for your little one to nap.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Like this video, become a subscriber to our YouTube family, and until next time, we will
see you real soon. Bye, guys.
Bye.